Welcome again to CryptoJet, holders, shillers, and my fellow blockchain degenerates. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the best crypto news, insights, and more. Now, before we go on and talk a little bit more about the weekly log chart of ANKR, we're going to talk about the project a little bit and some general news in the crypto industry. So it's the 115th coin on the market with a market cap of under $1 billion or 700 million. So that's quite a small market cap compared to a lot of other coins that we reviewed before. And I really think that this one has a lot of potential because of how robust their whole ecosystem is. So the global market cap is at 2.3 trillion. We're almost about to break through the previous market cap at 2.5 trillion. So the bull run is continuing very, very strong at this point. You can purchase ANKR on Binance or Coinbase, the two largest exchanges, for those of you who didn't know that. And moving on, we can actually see this guy, the Moon, tweeting, "Do you think that there's any possibility of Ethereum flipping Bitcoin this year?" Personally, I think no. I think nothing is going to flip Bitcoin this year. But once something does flip Bitcoin, it may or may not be Ethereum. So Ethereum is slow in the eyes of many people. It's fast in the eyes of many fans. But I certainly believe that Bitcoin will not stay in the top 10 in the long term when it comes to cryptocurrencies, because there's simply so much more projects that are so much more efficient out there. Ethereum as well. It's just the largest and it works the best at the moment. But who knows that, for example, Cardano won't or One, Harmony, or some other coins won't take over, right, in the future. So it's all about efficiency and it's all about what works the best. This guy has the right idea. Gas fees are going to be ETH downfall, mark my words. It's a possibility as well, so we should keep all of that in mind. But for now, still, there's a very, very small amount of people in the world. I'd say about 1% of people who even know about cryptocurrencies, let alone are invested into them. So it's going to take some time before people find out about Bitcoin and then find out about Ethereum and then go into other types of coins as well. Now, moving on, we can see the weekly return on investment from the 1st of October until today. Bitcoin is at 25.7%, Ethereum 20%, Polkadot 17.9%, etc. Now, why is Bitcoin releasing the largest return? Well, just what I said a minute back. People, when they first find out about crypto, they find Bitcoin. When they find Bitcoin, they want to invest into Bitcoin. They don't really know about these other projects out there, and they have no idea that Bitcoin is less efficient than these other projects. And that's what's happening now. We're in the second stage of a bull run. We have new people coming into crypto, finding out about Bitcoin and investing into it. So moving on a little bit about ANKR. When someone says ANKR will not touch the $1 mark, get out, you know what I mean? So ANKR is at the, I'm not even sure at this point, $0.09 dollar. So it has to increase 10 times to reach the $1 mark, which is a market cap of $7 billion, which is nothing too large. And I believe that's a very, very realistic price for a coin of this caliber. Moving on, you can actually see their community, which is 125.7k followers. You should give them a follow on Twitter. And when I'm at it, give us a follow on Twitter as well. They do this sort of thing. They post these ideas every day. So term of the day, earn interest. So it's similar to placing money into a savings account. You can actually do this using the ANKR protocol, ANKR Q3 recap, etc. We're not going to talk about all of these things, but you can do pretty much anything on ANKR. So it's a Web 3.0 protocol, and it combines infrastructure, staking, decentralized finance, buildability, everything into one blockchain. So it has a higher rate of return for staking, right, on 11 plus chains. So you can check these out right here. You can actually build Web3 products. Web3 is pretty much a way more efficient internet than and blockchain than usual, right? And you can build on it with obviously 11 plus chains. There's a lot of people and a lot of projects that are actually powered with ANKR. So it's a global distributed network of nodes across 50 proof of stake chains. This is huge. This is pretty huge. They are literally going all in when it comes to their project. Their infrastructure is huge. They're doing everything. You can build on it, you can earn on it, you can build like NFT projects and stuff. It is actually huge. So here's a little bit of info about the staking, about the liquidity pools. So $350 million total of locked value, even though the market cap is 700 million right now. So I believe this market cap is highly non-representative of what the value of this project is, just looking at these, the first page of their website. So here's a few of their partners, and obviously you can join their social media and whatnot. But looking at the price, we are actually taking a look at the log chart on the weekly time frame, and we can see a very nice trend channel forming right about here. So if we move down on the daily, we can see this same thing, a huge increase in price, and then drop down. This is what happened in May of this year, the biggest sort of dip that's happened, a double bottom formation, and then price simply moving towards the upside once again, retracing into fib levels, I would say quite nicely if you plot it from the start. And we're ready for another move upwards for sure. So my projection for ANKR in the next sort of I'm not really sure when, but in the next few weeks, next month. So this is sort of the counter trend line that's being plotted, and I do believe ANKR could reach a price of around at least the $0.8 mark, judging by simply the previous growth of the coin, and that's a lower limit. So we could even go up to the $1.5 mark or whatnot during these stages of the bull run. Now, that would be it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and leave a comment if you have any future video ideas. Until we meet again, hodl for dear life, and I'll see you all in the next video. Adios.